Welcome guys to the second tutorial for Game for Windows Live, and this is Kane and Lynch Deadman, right? Now I'm gonna show you how to get the game for free and how to install it and set everything up, right? So with that being said, let's move straight into the tutorial, right? I never played this game, but I'm doing this tutorial to help you guys. So if you want a free key for this game, join the Discord server, boost my Discord server, and I'll give you a free key for the game, right? So we're gonna move into the tutorial now. Step 1 is getting started, right? You'll need an Xbox account. Go to here, click on create an account, free account, and just create an Xbox account, right? And then you'll need Game for Windows Live. Go to here, download Game for Windows Live. You don't need to set this up, download and set it up. Right. Right. So just extract it to here. It will create this folder. Click on this and set it up. I already have everything set up. And then you will need to download WinRAR. Choose your language and your system, 64-bit or 32-bit, and install it, right? And you'll need virtual clone drive. Go to here, download virtual clone drive, and it will show up in the tree here. Set your number of drive, and you will need this to mount the game ISO. Right now, this is the game here. Go to here, and you will download the torrent file. Now you will need qubit torrent. Go to here, download qubit torrent, and then you will just click on the game, open it up, click on it, click OK, and the game will download. Now I already have the game downloaded, so I don't need to do this. I'm just showing you what to do. So once you did all those steps, guys, then you're ready for the second step, right? So I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Second step is extracting the game. Open the folder. Alright, and you'll just extract to here. Alright, you're gonna take a little while to extract, so you have to just be patient and let it extract. Once you reach 100%, it will extract, and you'll hear a big ping noise, which indicate that it's finished extracting, right? So this is gonna take some time. So once it closes to finish extracting, guys, are gonna be back, right? So stay tuned. Once you hear that song, that means it's extracted, right? So time to install the game. All right. So just right click, mount to virtual clone drive E. Alright, I'll just open the crack folder. Okay, I have the crack here. So let's install the game, right? Click on next, accept, and install it to the default location, right? Do not change the location. So it will see this, and it's gonna take a little while to install, guys, and I don't want to keep the video going too long. I want this to be short and simple, so just let it do its stuff, and you must know when it's finished install. It will tell you when it's finished installing, but once it's close to finish installing, guys, I'm gonna be back, right? Because this process is gonna take a long time, so just let it do its stuff. This part is simple. Installing the game is not hard. So once it's close to finish installing, guys, I'm gonna be back, right? Hey guys, the game is almost finished installing. Alright guys, the game is finished installing. Alright, it did not create a shortcut. Just now, guys. Alright, so let's go to program 586, EDOS, go to here, and this game right here, right? Now you need to copy the launcher because you will be able to play the game online. Alright, first let me check to see if it have any like patches. Okay. Okay. Doesn't seem to have any patches, guys, right? So in case it have any patches, once you update the game in GFWL Live, you download the patch. So let me just go and copy the crack, which is the launcher. And just go back to where the game is, copy the crack here. Alright, copy and replace. Alright, and besides the crack, you have like the cheat trainer that you could use if you want, but you wouldn't be using this, right? So we don't need that. So what we'll do now, go back to the game where the game is, and copy the launcher, desktop, and make a Kane and Lynch there. And I believe that is how you spell the name, Kane and Lynch. Right, so you don't need this mounted file again. Let's unmount it. So here, unmount, go up to here, drive E, the history, and once we're back, guys, we're just gonna start up the game. But before that, let's just go to here. Now you want to add an icon here, right? If you want to add an icon, it's simple. Those Kane and Lynch, and let's click here. Click here. So you have an icon for the game here, right? So once you're back, we're gonna start the game and apply the key, right? So I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so we are here for the final step, starting up the game. Let's open it. Okay, the game seems to crash. I don't know, wonder why. Let's know, guys. So we're gonna start the game again. This time started as administrator. Alright guys, so we had a problem with the game crashing, as you all can see. I will leave this part so you can see, right? So we're now going to enter the key because you'll need this to play online, right? So guys, if you want a free key for this game, join the Discord server and boost my Discord server to level 3. Once my server is on level 3, I'll give you all a free key for the game, right? Now press the home button and click connect. And then I'm gonna enter my key, right? But I will blow out the screen because yeah, if you want the key, just join the Discord server, right? So I'm just gonna find my key right here. Click on submit and then it will sign in to the game for Windows Live. Once you sign in, you will no longer see connect. So as you see, friends, private chat, messages. So you can now go to multiplayer, accept, skip, and then you could just like set that match, post that match. Time you see here, select your time, number of players. Let's see, advice only if you want to play private with friends alone. Alright, no, you won't be able to connect online because you need to get about 4 players to start the match, right? But you will be able to play once you get 4 players, right? So I'm just gonna jump into a single player match just to see how the game is working. We can never replay this game. Alright guys, in the game it seems to be working good. So I wouldn't be playing much guys. I'm just gonna delete the game. I just did this tutorial to help you guys to play the game online again with friends. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. The game is working pretty well. The FPS looks good, you know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video to come, guys. Take care and bye.